Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. It is going to be very easy, and here I will teach you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So here I will go on to the Instagram app. The Instagram app is now opening, and you will see how I will delete Instagram account. So here I will go on to the my profile picture, and here this is my Instagram account which I am going to delete permanently. So here I will go on to click on the three lines, and here a new page is now open, and here I will click on the settings option. So as I click over the settings option, there are different features, and here I will click over the account option. As I click over the account option, there are different options, and here on the very bottom side, delete your account. I will just click over the delete your account. As I click over this option, a new page is now opening, and this is the page, and here I will click over this option, and Instagram ask me why I am going to delete my account. So these are the reasons, like too many ads, can't find people to follow, concerned about my data. So these are the different reasons which I would mention here to allow to Instagram to delete my account. So I am not going to delete my account. So you can follow, you can tap on any one of the option and go and move ahead. So by doing this, you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So if you like the video, like this video and hit the subscribe button.